Hi, this is Living Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2007 Mazda 6, stock number 7426. Trim from the 7th 2005 to the 2nd 2008. There's an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by 6-speed manual transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, left front 16-inch factory Mazda tyre. Front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory Mazda tyre. Damage in the rear, parts there. Right rear 16-inch factory Mazda tyre, right rear door 3 dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front 16-inch factory Mazda tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, 2 AC controls, factory 6-speed stereo, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster.